Hello and welcome back to the English Lab. Today's topic is one that confuses a lot of English learners, British versus American English. Did you know that the same object or idea can have a completely different name depending on whether you're in the UK or the US? Let's look at some everyday vocabulary differences between the UK and the US with examples and explanations. Let's explore 5 pairs of words, explain what they mean, and look at how they're used in real life. 1. Flat, UK versus apartment, US. These both mean a place to live inside a building. It's usually one of several homes in the same building. UK example: I just rented a new flat near the station. US example: I just rented a new apartment downtown. In the UK, people say flat, while in the US, people say apartment. They both mean the same thing, a single living unit in a larger building. 2. Lorry, UK versus truck, US. Both refer to a large vehicle used to transport goods like packages or heavy items. UK example: a lorry blocked the road this morning. US example: a truck was blocking traffic on Main Street. Lorry is commonly used in British English. In the US, the word truck is more familiar. Don't confuse this with a pickup truck. That's a smaller kind of truck used personally. 3. Rubbish, UK versus trash or garbage, US. These words mean things you throw away, waste or unwanted items. UK example: please take the rubbish out before dinner. US example: can you take out the trash? Rubbish is the British word for waste. In American English, trash or garbage are the common terms. Some Americans use trash for dry waste and garbage for wet food waste, though they are often used interchangeably. 4. Holiday, UK versus vacation, US. These both refer to a break from work or school, usually for travel or rest. UK example: we're going on holiday to Spain. US example: we're going on vacation to Florida. In British English, holiday means time off from work or a trip. In the US, holiday usually means a specific day, like Christmas or Independence Day, and vacation means extended time off. 5. Petrol, UK versus gas, gasoline, US. This is the fuel used in cars and other vehicles. UK example: the car is out of petrol, let's stop at the petrol station. US example: the car is out of gas, let's stop at the gas station. Petrol and gasoline mean the same thing. Be careful. Gas in other contexts can also mean air or vapor, but in this case it means fuel. And that's it. We've come to the end of part 1 of our special 3-part series on British versus American English. In the next videos, we'll explore even more confusing vocabulary. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2. Thanks for watching!